Are you ready to unleash your inner public speaking superstar? If your answer is yes, then you're in for a treat, because we're about to reveal our secrets of 5 do's and don'ts of public speaking for beginners. Then let's get started and turn you into a captivating and a confident public speaker that leaves their audience in awe. First things first, let's start with the do's. Do, practice, practice, practice. The more you practice your speech or presentation, the more comfortable you'll become with the material you have and the less nervous you'll feel when it's time to get up on the stage. It's important to practice not only your words, but also your delivery, including your tone, pace, and body language. Practicing in front of a mirror or even recording yourself can help you identify areas for further improvement. Do, engage with your audience. Smile, make eye contact, and use gestures to connect with your audience and keep their attention. When you engage with your audience, they're more likely to be interested in what you have to say and remember your message. Do, be authentic. Speak right from your heart and be yourself. Your audience will definitely appreciate your honesty and sincerity. Don't try to be someone you're not or pretend to have all the answers to everything. Your vulnerability can actually help you engage with your audience on a much deeper level. Do use visual aids. Colorful slides, props, and other visual aids can help make your presentation more engaging and memorable. Just be sure not to rely too heavily on your visual aids, because they should supplement your message, not replace it. Do know your audience. Tailor your message to your audience's specific needs and interests. When you address your audience's needs and desires, they will be more likely to listen to you and take action. And now let's move on to the don'ts. Don't wing it. Even the most seasoned public speakers prepare and practice their speeches beforehand. Going in unprepared is a recipe for disaster. Take the time you need to outline your message, create supporting materials, and rehearse your delivery. Don't rush. Speak slowly and clearly, taking pauses when needed. This will help you maintain control of the room and keep your audience engaged. Don't overuse filler words. You should actually remember what it is from our shorts, right? Like, can all be really distracting and actually take away from your message. Practice speaking without them. Be deliberate in your speech and take pauses when you need to gather your thoughts. Don't be too stiff. Relax your body and allow yourself to move naturally. This will help you appear more confident and comfortable in front of your audience. And of course, don't forget to breathe. Taking deep breaths can actually help you calm your nerves and give you the energy you need to deliver a great speech. Always remember that public speaking is a skill that takes time and practice to master. Armed with these amazing do's and don'ts, you'll be on your way to becoming a public speaking superstar. And please remember that as Decktopus, we always got your back so that you can focus more on perfecting your presentation skills. Say goodbye to endless hours of formatting and design, because we have got you covered. Let us handle the boring stuff as you prepare to rock the stage. Go visit our website www.decktopus.com for more information. Now you can get out there and conquer the stage with your newfound confidence and skills. Thank you so much for tuning in, you guys, and see you next time.